Hey guys, this is Eric Miller. I'm just back from M&M and I wanted to show you some of the cool swag that I picked up at the show floor. Now, of course, I picked up a couple pens and whatnot. I got this. It's a carabiner slash keychain ring, something or other. I got this from Technoorg Linda. They make some ion mill kind of stuff. And I got this little guy. Oh, look at that, baby. From SICTech, a new Chinese company selling electron microscopes here. And we got this. It's just a little flashlight, a little handy thing to have in the lab. I got this from XEI. Yeah, it says Evactron right there. Ta-da. I got this thing. Now, this thing is super cool from 3D Molecular Designs. They had a whole bunch of cool stuff, but they were giving these away. And if you scan the QR code, it activates some augmented reality that will interact with this little design here. My favorite thing that I got was this from Ted Pella. It's it's all aluminum. It's all metal. It's just a little screwdriver with a whole bunch of little bits here in the top. I really like this because this is actually useful. So I'm keeping that in my bag with me. And this thing, I haven't even opened yet, so I have no idea what it is. I got this from Kim's Reference Corporation. They were giving out these fancy little things, and I did an interview with them, and they gave me the extra special large box that was hidden behind the table. So I don't even know what it is. So let's open it up and check it out. I don't know, maybe it's somehow. I mean, this paper is amazing. If I can even open it a little bit, I don't know. Oh gosh, this looks expensive. The worst part about this was that we had to film that interview 3 times because I kept screwing it up. Oh, so it says Korean Traditional Arts Crafts, Mother of Pearl artwork. Oh gosh. And there's a big QR code in the back. Okay. Oh man. Whoa. Well, look at that. Well, that sure is pretty. Oops. Is this? Come on out. Oh. This is a very fancy flash drive. Wow, look at that. Kim's Reference Corp. Wow. Well, thank you very much, Kim's Reference Corp. This is pretty cool. Well, anyway, why don't you guys tell me in the comments what kind of cool swag you got at the show and how it was way better than mine. Probably wasn't better than this, but other than that, let me know. Thanks. We'll see you guys the next year.